One of my favorite things just happened. Watch delivery. And it's even better today because there's two watches in the box, both brand new releases from Vario Watches. One is a new addition to one of their current lines of watches. The second is something completely unique and brand new from Vario. I'm particularly excited to see this one in person. So just an unboxing today, first impressions. Follow-up videos will be coming soon on both of these watches too, but let's get to it and check them out. All right, so we're going to just get right into this. I'm going to try to dig out the one that's already in the current lineup first and save the suspense for the new model. For the second watch we look at, there's a possibility these watches do not have packaging. I'm not 100% sure. Sometimes they send their watches over without the packaging, especially newer releases, but it looks like we have the little carriers in here. Never seen this pouch before from Vario. Okay, so there's going to be no way to tell which one is which. So I think what I'm going to do is do a little cheat. And first of all, wipe some dust off the table here. But I'm going to do a little cheat and take a look inside these and come back in just 1 second. I checked, and the brown one here is the watch that is the new addition to a current line of watches. And remove the white cloth, and you can see we've got some bronze. And don't you just love a fresh new bronze watch? Gorgeous. Got a commemorative case back here for the, so this is the 1945 D12. It's a tribute to the Dirty Dozen watches, and so this is showing 1945 to 2025, 80 years. These are limited to, I believe, 200 pieces, but I'll confirm that and let you know in the full video on the watch. Beautiful dial. Let's actually get in for a closer look at the dial. Really nice textured gray fume dial. The faux patina on the hands and markers goes really nice with the bronze. The other thing, I don't think I've seen these straps from Vario, and I hope maybe they start selling these on their own. It looks like almost like a wax canvas. Something else I'll do a little bit of a deeper dive on and inform you on that when we talk a little deeper about the watch. Looks like there's some lume on the crown, drilled lugs. Gorgeous. This is like a really nice watch. I did see a photo right at the moment. I think there's only this color available. I did see a photo of another color dial, green. So I don't know if that's coming at some point too, but awesome. Take a look on wrist and then we'll move on to the next. And here it is on my 7¼ inch wrist. And this is only a 37mm watch, but it has a decent amount of wrist presence. Strap, especially up towards the lugs there, is a little bit stiff. The padding's a bit thicker there, so there's going to be some break-in for that, but this looks awesome. Really cool watch. I think it's running on a Miyota 8000 series movement. Love the 4 o'clock crown position for comfort. And yeah, let's take a look at the next watch. All right, so not to downplay the first watch, because that was really nice, and that's really the kind of watch I go after normally, but this is just so different from Vario. My excitement level's up a little notch. This is just different from anything, really, to be honest with you. We'll remove the white cloth here, and how about that? The Futurist with the sapphire crystal, the faceted sapphire crystal. Oh my word, this is gorgeous. Look at this. Let's see if you can see the details on the top of the case there. Oh man. Got drilled lugs. Crown at the 12 o'clock, which is pretty cool. This is running a 9000 series Miyota. I think it's a 39 millimeter case diameter. Oh man, this looks so cool. Very cool case back there. I'll do lots of images, some macros, getting all of the details on the watch. I'm kind of looking forward to the challenge of photographing the crystal. Pretty cool light play happening for sure. Wow, this is awesome. Very cool. Love the side profile. Again, let's get in for a closer look at the dial on this. And then we'll take a look on wrist. So just tested out the crown. It's quite thin but large, so it's easy to get your fingernail in there to pop it out, and just roll your thumb across the top to adjust the time. I'm even doing it with gloves on, so it'll be zero issue without. But wow. Very 70s, very futuristic at the same time. What a surprising release from the brand. I did not see this coming at all. This is going to be available for purchase on the 8th of November, so just shortly after this video comes out. I don't think I'll get that full-length video out on the watch before then, but I can tell you right now, this is quite the thing. It is impressive. Beautiful, beautiful watch. Love that silver dial. There is some different dial options too. And let's get it on wrist. And here it is, and this wears so good, especially with the crown at the 12. I love this thing. This is just super cool. I'm actually doing a meetup with Vario and a few other brands in Ottawa mid-November. And if you're in the area and would like to attend, reach out to my email, timetogo1978@gmail.com. I do a monthly meetup, usually in the Toronto area and sometimes Ottawa or Montreal. But this time it is happening in Ottawa, and this watch will be in attendance there too. So, oh man, this is going to be awesome. I'm going to have a tough time taking this one off wrist, but that is it. Really appreciate you taking a few minutes to stop by, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.